good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
I'm Josie, I'm the General Manager here at Edencraft, and today I'm going to introduce you to a very, very special boat. It is our first ever boat to head across to New Zealand. So I'd like to say congratulations and thank you, Alex, for entrusting us in building you this beautiful 565 and sending it across the ditch. Got a Garmin package on this boat. We've got a 16-inch head unit up on the dash. We've got a 175 high wide, which is your 0 to 200 metre fishing range. We've got a 175 low, which is your 200 to 600 metres. And then we've also got a GT51, which is your side scan. The other reason that this boat is so special is it's our first 565 with a 250 Pro XS Merc. So it absolutely flies, hitting a top end speed of 88 k's. We've got another awesome feature on this boat. So once you're done dealing with all your bait and your hands are all gross, you can come over here, hit your knee on here and then wash your hands over the side. Congratulations, Alex, on building your beautiful 565. It's an absolute masterpiece and we hope it's the first of many heading across the Tasman to New Zealand. Congratulations again.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, yeah.